Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the latest drone comparisons, reviews, and leaks. Helicopter DJI Matrice 4 vs DJI Mavic 4 Pro, two powerful drones built for different users, but which one is the ultimate choice? With cutting-edge features, advanced flight performance, and pro-level cameras, both have their strengths. But which drone suits your needs best? Stick around as we break down their specs, features, and key differences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert drone comparisons and reviews. Design and build quality. DJI Matrice 4. The DJI Matrice 4 is a rugged, industrial-grade drone, built for commercial and enterprise applications. Its modular design allows for multiple payload configurations, including thermal cameras, LiDAR, and multispectral sensors, making it a highly versatile drone for industrial tasks. It is large, heavy, and built to withstand extreme environments, making it ideal for search and rescue, inspection, and mapping operations. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, on the other hand, is a prosumer drone, designed primarily for photographers, filmmakers, and content creators. It features a compact, foldable design, making it far more portable than the Matrice 4. While it is durable, it is not built for industrial-level use and lacks the modularity of the Matrice 4. Camera and imaging capabilities. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 is expected to support multiple payload options, allowing users to swap between high-resolution zoom cameras, thermal imaging, and LiDAR sensors. This makes it the ideal choice for commercial applications such as infrastructure inspections, agriculture, and emergency response. However, its cameras are not optimized for cinematic videography. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro, being aerial photography focused, will likely feature a large 1-inch or 4/3-inch Hasselblad sensor, capable of shooting 5.1K or higher resolution video with superior dynamic range, low light performance, and professional-grade color science. It is a better choice for filmmakers and photographers, while the Matrice 4 is designed for data collection and specialized tasks. Flight performance and battery life. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 is built for extended flight durations, likely exceeding 50 minutes of flight time, depending on its payload. It will have high-powered batteries, redundancy systems, and the ability to operate in extreme conditions, making it a reliable choice for professional missions. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to offer a flight time of around 45 minutes, which is excellent for a consumer drone but falls short of the industrial-grade endurance of the Matrice 4. While it will have intelligent flight systems, it is not designed for extreme environments like the Matrice series. AI, obstacle avoidance, and automation. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 will likely feature advanced AI-powered automation, including autonomous flight paths, real-time AI analysis, and enhanced object tracking. It will also come with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and the ability to autonomously navigate complex environments, crucial for industrial operations. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to have improved active track, waypoints, and automated cinematic flight modes, making it a great tool for filmmakers and photographers. However, its automation is designed for content creation rather than industrial applications. Best use cases and applications. DJI Matrice 4. The DJI Matrice 4 is the clear choice for industrial, commercial, and government applications, including mapping, surveying, inspections, and emergency response. It is designed for enterprises and professionals who need high-end data collection capabilities. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is the perfect choice for photographers, videographers, and prosumers looking for high-quality aerial imagery with a compact, easy-to-fly drone. It is ideal for cinematic filming, travel photography, and real estate marketing but lacks the industrial-grade versatility of the Matrice 4. Durability and weather resistance. DJI Matrice 4. The DJI Matrice 4 is built for harsh environments, featuring weatherproofing, dust resistance, and water resistance. It can operate in rain, strong winds, and extreme temperatures, making it ideal for industrial and emergency applications. Its rugged frame ensures reliability in demanding field conditions. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, while durable for a consumer drone, is not designed for extreme weather. It will likely have improved wind resistance and build quality over its predecessors, but it lacks the industrial-grade durability of the Matrice 4. It is best suited for stable weather conditions and general outdoor use. Cost and investment value. DJI Matrice 4. The Matrice 4 is a high-end industrial drone, meaning it will have a significantly higher price point compared to the Mavic 4 Pro. However, it justifies its cost with enterprise-level capabilities, modular design, and commercial applications, making it a long-term investment for professionals and businesses. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The Mavic 4 Pro, while still a premium drone, will be more affordable for individual creators and prosumers. It offers excellent value for filmmakers and aerial photographers without the hefty price tag of an industrial UAV. It is a better choice for enthusiasts, solo professionals, and content creators who want high-end aerial photography without enterprise-level costs. Payload capacity and customization. DJI Matrice 4. The DJI Matrice 4 is designed to support multiple payloads, allowing users to attach thermal cameras, LiDAR sensors, zoom lenses, and other specialized modules. This level of customization makes it an essential tool for industries like search and rescue, agriculture, and infrastructure inspection. Its modularity allows for easy upgrades, ensuring it remains relevant for various missions over time. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro, on the other hand, is a fixed-camera drone, meaning it does not support interchangeable payloads. While it is expected to have a high-end imaging system, it lacks the versatility and expandability of the Matrice series. This makes it more suited for creative professionals rather than industrial applications. Conclusion. If you need a high-end filmmaking tool, the Mavic 4 Pro is the better choice. If you require a rugged, professional drone for commercial applications, the Matrice 4 is the superior option. The DJI Matrice 4 is a specialized, heavy-duty industrial drone built for data collection, inspections, and commercial operations, offering longer flight times, modular payloads, and AI automation. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter. What are your thoughts on the DJI Avata 3? Does it live up to the hype? Drop your opinions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more expert drone reviews and updates. See you in the next video.